What is up, y'all? I am here making a contact form for project 2, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I've heard it's best to build projects so you can do what you are actually learning, because there's this thing or this trap called tutorial hell where people watch tutorials, but then when they try to do it on their own, they don't know what they're doing. So as of recently, I've been learning how to write the submit button, and I've been learning how to do label and adding input. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a project idea that is based on my knowledge. So I told them everything that I know, but they give me an idea that I could do, because I don't really know based on my knowledge what I can and can't do. So they gave me this idea and it came out to be a contact form. Now, all they're telling me is what they want in this form, but they're not telling me how to do it, except for some reason they put that the gender, they want it to be radio buttons, and then the newsletter sign up to be a checkbox. Other than that, they haven't given anything else, and I could show y'all this code if it can focus. I must touch the wrong phone. Hopefully y'all can read that. I don't know, it's backwards to me, but we're gonna end up jumping right into this, and y'all can clearly see my computer. Now, I don't know if I should just jump right into it or build the whole website, but I think it's probably good practice to build the whole website just so I can continue to remember what comes next, because I believe it's supposed to be head. I don't know why I looked over there like I had it. It's supposed to be head. Actually, no, because I think head is supposed to only contain title, is at least what I heard. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go title here, and I'm hoping that I can end up you know, making this look really nice. I'm not sure how long I'm about to give myself, and sorry if you hear me whispering, it's because it's nighttime, so I feel weird talking with my voice. All right, so now we're in between that. We're gonna go body. But does this need a body? Does it always need a body? I mean, actually, yeah, that was probably not smart of me. We're gonna leave the body there. So now it says we need to have this is a simple sign up form. You guys aren't gonna be able to see what it looks like, but I do want to see how this is popping up. Okay, so we got contact form up there. So since this is going to be a simple sign up form, I'm assuming I should sit here and put H2 and probably call it a sign up. I'm not sure, or H1. I feel like my thing is like, I feel like I should have probably looked at an example of what a sign-up sheet looks like, because I'm trying to think and I really don't know what it would look like. So I'm just kind of doing random things here. And so if it doesn't come out by I didn't even spell sign correctly. So that was crazy work. Hold on, let me delete this because I don't need this no more. I was asking for something. Sign up. I feel like that's corny in H1. But like I said, I don't know what a sign-up sheet looks like. I know how to do it, but what does it actually look like? I feel like if I looked at one, because my thing is, do I put sign up in the field set? Right? I think you do. I think you do. That's why I'm getting a little bit confused. Let me try it. Oh my gosh, I can't remember how to pull the field set out. Do I just type? No, I don't think you just type field set. How could I forget? Oh, form. I almost screwed myself right there. That was crazy work. First you do form, field set. And then I wanted to open that up real quick and see what if I put that here. Let me erase this. Is that gonna pop up better or worse? Oh, you know what? It pops up better. It pops up better, but like I said, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but I think either way, I'm making progress. We're gonna put a line break. Probably don't really. Yeah, we're gonna put a line break there, and then also in this field set, we're gonna put a legend. I don't know what That's the thing. Like I said, I feel like I need to see an example of a website. I don't need to see the code, but what does a sign-up sheet actually look like? But because I put sign up as the heading, but then if I have a legend, what do I write in there? Like sign? Like, because I feel like if I put sign in there, like it looks corny. Or maybe I don't need oh, I'm stupid. The code tells me to write sign up. Yeah, so oops. Okay, so maybe they don't want Maybe they don't want this. They told me to write that in the legend. Oops. So thank God I looked over there for a second. We gotta delete this before that messes up my whole entire code. So put sign up and then input fields for name. So at least I seen that. So input ID. We're gonna put name. Type. I'm assuming if you're doing name, is there such thing for a username, or would I just go and do like text or something? We're gonna see how that pops up. There is ID type name, which we're gonna just put as name, I guess. Yeah, we're just gonna put as name, and then we're gonna do value. And value is gonna be, because I think for value you're supposed to, yeah, so I'm just gonna go name for value as well. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm also gonna allow myself to look at my notes. My notes are actually on this, where's that? Hold on, because they just played me. My notes are actually on this notebook in there somewhere, so if I start struggling, I'm gonna look there first before asking ChatGPT. So sign up, name text, yada yada. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so I messed up somewhere because name is popping up inside the box, which I think is that one. Okay, never mind. I think name is popping up inside. Oh, you know what? It's popping up inside the box because of this. It better be because of that, right? Because it can't be. Yeah, okay. It was because of that. My bad, y'all. I forgot about that, but I do want a placeholder. I don't think it's asking for one, but I want a placeholder. Why not? Especially because I know how to do it, so why not do it? Enter here. That's crazy work. Enter your name. That's why I feel like this is so corny. Because what placeholder ever says that? Or does it? I don't know, but whatever. This is my website. Get out of here. Get out of here if you don't like it. All right, so enter your name. Then, oh wait, I think I gotta do a line break. Which looks like that. So when I do this one, ID equals email, and then we do type. Do I also do text for this? Right, because you're typing an email, then for password too, you're putting a password. I believe I also do text. I said type, I meant text. Placeholder, and we're going to do enter, it's uppercase, enter your email. Close that, BR. Let's see if that line break is working here. It is. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? That's crazy work. You know what I'm forgetting? I'm forgetting to put something here. I don't know if P makes sense. We can go full name. Or should I label it? Okay, that looks a little better. But should I label it? Let me try that first. Actually, no, let me erase that. I'm gonna try a label, just in case. So we're gonna go full name. Oops, name. Labeled. Okay, that was better. That was better. Okay, that was smart. Thank God I checked. We're gonna go label again, and we're going to do email address. Let's see how that looks. Okay, perfect. I'm on to something right now. Guys, this looks amazing. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know I could do this. And the fact that I'm doing it this fast is wild. And I'm a fumble somewhere. So now we gotta do another label. Oh, you know what I'm fumbling? You know what I'm fumbling? I gotta put 4 equals email, I think. I don't think I have to, but I believe that allows me to do something, right? Or am I messing up right now? That allows you to to click that, but there we go, okay. I remembered, but I know it's not needed, but for me, it is. All right, so we're gonna go 4 as well in here. And this one's gonna be for password. What's going on here? Actually, no, seriously, what is going on? And then it's gonna be password. Okay, clearly I don't know English. What is going on here? Password, and we're going to do label for password. Oh yeah, input ID, password, type equals text, placeholder equals. I don't know if I have to do this, but I like to do it. Your password. I don't think you have to do it, but I think it's pretty cool, especially because I want to get used to it. I almost forgot about that. See how that comes out, just in case you don't want to get too far. To your password, yep, and you can click every single one of these and you get there. You know, I probably could honestly just leave it as enter, but is it too close to each other? That's something that I'm thinking about. I feel like it's kind of too close. Okay, never mind. So we have the password. Now we need to do a gender button. We need to do a gender button. Input ID. Oops. Male or female, right? That's normally what we do, or boy or girl. So we're gonna go male, type. Oops, come on now. I think we're doing radio for this one. Doing radio. Name. I'm not sure if we need to do this, but I'm gonna go male. And then value, because I don't remember, but I think value is something to do with like internal stuff, I think. So I think it would make sense for me to put value and put male there as well. But it might not. We'll end up figuring it out soon. Oh, you know what? I did it again. I think I do need a label because it's gonna be kind of weird being like what is the question? You know what I mean? Because I think I just straight up have it popped up. Yeah. Oh, and it's not even popping up right. I did something wrong. Oh, wait, what? I got the button to pop up, but I don't got mail. Oh yeah, because I'm stupid. Well, I still think I need the question to be asked though. So I don't know if I write that. Now I write this in P. Actually, do you need the question to be asked? What gender are you? Or do you just throw it in there? That honestly is a, oops, what am I doing? Can I stop? I'm just trying to get this to be a little bit higher. But that's honestly what I'm thinking. Like, sorry, I'm trying to find an easier way to get the hell up here. Okay. That's honestly what I'm thinking. So label for male. We'll see. Oh, you know what I just realized too? For my button, it's not gonna work because I didn't do form action submit. And then I don't know if you have to add a method post, but I think that's for like when you get to JavaScript or something. Anyway, so label for male. Oh wait, hold on. That might mess it up too if I don't put it uppercase. And then we're gonna be like male. Is that how that works? Yes, okay. Well, for some reason, hold on. Am I spelling male wrong? Female. Female. How do you spell female? Yes, I think I'm spelling male correctly. Sorry, it just looked weird. But I don't remember if you have like a click button for male or female. Does male pop up first and then the click button, or is it the click button and then male? I don't know. Does that matter? Does that matter? Anyway, not the point. Well, we're gonna see how it looks because, you know, I kind of feel like just copy and pasting this and turning that into female, but whatever. I guess for the sake of, well, I don't even know why I'm uppercasing it. But for the sake of, you know, this, I'm just going to do it like this. That is what, so we want input ID is going to be female. Type equals radio. I'm trying to get this done a little bit quicker. I don't want to film for too long, but I also don't want to make a mistake either. Female and value female, I think, or gender. But how do you even write in there? BR. Be right back. All right, now let me see how that looks. Oh, I accidentally did a line break, because I think I do want them to be side by side. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. And then also too, I completely forgot, you need to do this as well. So now I can click, now it'll be one or the other. But okay, I'm definitely writing female and male wrong. What the hell is going on? How do I not know how to type male? It's like, okay, you can code all of this, but you can't type in English. Female. Wait, am I typing that wrong? No, I'm not. Okay, you know what? Whatever. So I got it to the point now where I can click one or the other. That's good, that's good. Thank God I remembered that. And now, oh, I forgot. I have to write a newsletter option, or a newsletter sign up. I honestly don't know how to write that. Like, I know how to write the checkbox. Like, I could do label for, I'm gonna do news. And then we're gonna close that, do newsletter. Sign up. Can I please get this together? Oh. First of all, my label has 2 A's. That could have thrown this all off. And we're gonna go input ID, news, I meant, type equals checkbox, name equals, news. And like I said, I don't know what value does, so I could be writing the wrong stuff in value, but I don't care at this point, as long as it doesn't, you know, mess with me. Line break, open. First of all, I wrote a line break, so come on, unless this one's supposed to be the line break. Okay, there we go. Yes, okay, that makes sense. My thing is though, do I have to, if that one's the line break, do I have to keep this one the line break then? No, you don't. Okay, so that would have been a useless little thing there. Okay, so that's sick. I wish y'all can see the finished product, but I will show you. It's working, it's going together. Now I need to create a submit button. Damn, I can't remember. Does a submit button need a label? Is it label? Ooh, I don't remember if a submit button needs a label. I think I'm just gonna go for it. Submit. Oh wait, you know what I remembered it needs? Oh wait, no, I think it's fine. Submit type equals button. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Button equals submit type equals submit, I think. Name equals submit. And then I believe I have to do value, which ought to also equal submit, because there's definitely one of them where you don't have to do submit, but I don't recall. We're gonna close that up, see if that button works. Perfect, and it's also sending me to where it would go if I clicked sign up, click submit. So that's good. So I think everything looks pretty good here. I'm gonna send this to ChatGPT, see what they have to say. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like though, the finished product as of right now. So 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so we are now filling, and this is the sign up sheet. Does this look like what they wanted me to do, y'all? This is what ChatGPT asked me. This is a mini project. I also seen a comment from somebody saying I should be doing some mini projects. So here is one of my other videos. I think I recorded one of my, oh no, because that was the issue. I recorded one of my first project, but with the way my laptop records, if I record on a certain screen and then jump to another one, it won't record it. I didn't know that. So I recorded me doing the second project and I had all the audio, but I didn't have the image of it. So I was like, oh, that's corny, you know what I'm saying? So now this is my second project, or technically my third, but I'll say second, because I think I used ChatGPT a lot for my first one. But see, we got sign up, full name, you enter your full name. Let's go, just Mars, come now, talking about saved info. What the hell are they even talking about? And then we got password. Imagine a password just popped up, and you could pick male or female, boom. You could pick sign up for the newsletter, you click submit, and that just sends you to some BS, but isn't that sick? I'm able to do that on day, what day are we on now? I don't even know. So are y'all proud of me for my progress of basically learning HTML for a week to be able to create this entire contact form page? I'm assuming I did it correctly. I could send it to ChatGPT just to be sure. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. I don't think y'all can see ChatGPT, but regardless, at the end of the day, I'm gonna just send it there, regardless if y'all can see it or not. And we are going to tell him, did I code this correctly? Does this code work? Basically. We're just gonna send it like that, and they'll tell me if something is wrong. But it comes out weird, so if I was them, I'd be like, excuse me, like, what are we doing? But ChatGPT's responding, says the contact form works. Oh, but it has a few issues of improvement. That's okay, it works though. It says input name attributes are missing for text fields required to submit form data. Damn. Oh, see, I remember remembering text fields, but I thought it went into type, so I was like, it doesn't need a text field, but okay. All right, so it says that it works, but it has a few issues. So I'm wondering, so basically to submit data, it basically wouldn't have went through, but it would have worked, but probably wouldn't have saved, maybe? I'm not sure. But it says password fields should use type password instead of text. Wait, I thought I did that. Did I not do that? Okay, I know what it's saying. Okay, so there's a couple of things. Input button equals submit is incorrect. Use input type equals submit. I was never taught this. I was taught input button. And then proper lining and spacing for reading ability. I figured my coding was a little bit all over the place, but okay, so it's basically saying I could have done a couple of different things, but that technically my form worked. Okay, these are minor improvements. These are definitely something though that I should be taking into account, but this is good. This is what you learn as you go, you know, because I actually forgot that there is a, when you type, you could type password, not text. I completely forgot about that. And then also too, for the name attributes, I remembered there being a text field option, but I didn't know where you're supposed to put that at. So I was just like, well, I just didn't think it was name. I thought it went for type. So I was like, okay, whatever. And then that my input button is incorrect. Use input type equals submit, which I don't understand that. But like I said, I personally was never taught for my input button to put input type. Yeah, I just was never taught that. I swore in everything you would have to put button. But hey, maybe not. All right, we're gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you like this, if you like me learning how to, make websites, making many little projects to get myself used to writing code. I mean, simply though, even though my submit button is a little bit wanky. Oh wait, I just realized I have my submit button looking like right here. Should be down here, but that's okay. And then I guess I'm gonna try to do what they told me to do. I'm gonna add these improvements and see if I like it, but I don't know, I personally feel like everything seemed fine to me, obviously except for the fact that it's saying the input name for text fields is required to submit form data. That probably seemed like the most important thing to be missing, to be honest. But yeah. And then proper alignment and spacing is definitely something I need to take down and remember to do, because I kind of forgot that's important. But it's not like, I'm writing for people, but it would be good practice to write as if I'm writing for people. But so far though, project number 2, I think I truly ate doing it. But hey, listen, the more I make projects like this, the more I will end up getting better. and I knew more than I actually thought, so I'm very happy. So comment down below, are y'all lit about this? Do y'all think this is pretty good progress for being on week 1? I'm definitely not trying to compare to other people or people compared to me, because, you know, especially because I'm very busy, so I would assume people can get further than me, but I think this is great. For y'all, we're gonna end this video right here. Deuces.